Hello all, welcome to Chell's. Today we are going to see beautiful collections of rich cotton sarees. These sarees have to be dry cleaned for the first time. After then gentle hand wash, starch and iron if needed. To get immediate notify whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. To place an order, take a screenshot and WhatsApp to 944115 You can also visit our shop. We are at VOC Street, Palavakam, ECR, Chennai. The first saree is dual shade on gray and green color shade with a dark gray and blue shade border with a zari border on both sides of the saree. Floral motifs on all over the saree, on golden color floral motif and thread woven floral motif. The pallu is fully thread woven and it has a running blouse. The saree number 2 is one chiku color with dark brown shade selvage and a golden color border on both sides of the saree, and there is a floral motifs on all over the saree. There are small lines on the border of the saree. This is also a grand pallu, thread woven pallu, and it has tassels too. And plain running blouse. Take a screenshot and WhatsApp to 944115 Saree number 3. This is an orange color saree with a pink color selvage and yellow color lines and green and pink color motifs all over the saree. The saree also have the same running blouse. Let's see the pallu of the saree. Grand thread woven pallu and it has a running blouse. The price of the saree is 1750. Whoever needed, kindly take a screenshot and WhatsApp. The saree number 4. This is a green color and aqua green selvage border and one pink color border with rudraksha pattern and mango motifs all over the saree. This is the rudraksha pattern border. This is the pallu of the saree. These are all thread woven pallu. Saree number 5. The saree is dark navalpara color and pink color selvage border with golden borders on both sides of the saree, and it has mustard yellow color mango motifs and golden color pink color mango motifs all over the saree. The pallu of the saree is thread woven pallu with some geometrical patterns. And it has a temple border in the pallu side. The price of the saree is 1750. Whoever needed, kindly take a screenshot and WhatsApp to place the order. Saree number 6. This is a grey and black color shade saree. White color lines all over the saree and it has golden border with red and golden color. And it has motifs black color and red color motifs. These are floral motifs. So let's see the pallu of the saree. This is also a thread woven pallu. Whoever needed, kindly take a screenshot and WhatsApp to 944115 Saree number 7. This is a sandal color and black color selvage with golden borders. It has mango motifs, black color mango motifs and golden color mango motifs all over the saree. These sarees carries running blouse and a grand pallu with a black and golden color. Whoever needed, kindly take a screenshot and WhatsApp to 944115 to place the order. Thank you for watching.